Today was one of those days. I was at work all day, then we'd do dinner and all that sort of stuff, blah, blah, blah. And now here we are, and I haven't a clue what I'm going to play. We didn't actually sit down and... we didn't actually plan this at all. So, that's good. And, yeah, here we are. Oh, the winter winds that to London with lonely hearts, the warmth in your eye, let me into your arms. Was it love, the fear of the cold that held us through the night? With every kiss, your beauty trumped my dial. My head, so my heart, let love grow. My heart, so my head, this time no, this time no. We'll be washed and buried one day, my girl. The love we share would be given to the world. The flesh that lives and breathes will be eaten by blade. So let the memories be good for those who stay. Hey, and my head, so my heart, let love grow. My heart, so my head, this time no. My head, so my heart, let love grow. My heart, so my head, this time no, this time no. Well, the shame that set me up from the God that I once loved was the same that sent me into your arms. This pestilence is one when you are lost and I am gone. No hope will overcome. As if strikes at your sleep. Remember spring turns snow to leaves. We'll be happy, wholesome again. Summer comes and the sun has set. Hey, and my head, so my heart, let love grow. My heart, so my head, this time no, it's my head, so my heart, let love grow. My heart, so my head, this time no, this time no. It's all heads and hearts, that one, isn't it?